What is a seventh chord? Well, simply put, it's a four-note chord. What would we call a four-note chord a seventh chord? Well, it's all about how it's built. Let's start with a major scale. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now to make a chord, say on the 1, we just skip numbers. So skip 2, go to 3, skip 4, go to 5. That's a simple major triad. But if I keep going with that pattern, skip 6 and go to 7, making it a four-note chord, we get a seventh chord. Since this was made with a major scale, it is a major seventh chord. Which means if I change the scale to minor, which is move the 3 down to flat 3, 7 down to flat 7, we get a minor seventh chord. Now, you could use these interchangeably. If you have a major or minor triad in your song, you could turn it into a seventh chord if you wanted to. It's really all about the complexity of the sound. How rich do you want it to be in the harmony? Let's compare. What vibe are you going for?